I don't. I'm not so young, but they've given me a a Young Achievers Award. That's fine. As you know, majority of the audience is young. I felt I should be. Let me first appreciate the society for getting this award on the line, because it's very essential that you appreciate achievers coming up. It creates a good vibe. I feel honored and I'm humbled because I'm honored because I see a number of names which are there, which makes this award important. This award is special to me. I got a David K. Blight University of Kentucky award, but that was in the US of A. Now this is in India, so it's more important. Being within your people and getting an award, it's really very important. Why I wanted to speak for some time was one important thing. Everybody of you would like to be here at my place. It's very essential because we would always like to achieve something in life. That's what life is all about. I would just like to place, if you allow me 5 minutes, as a small incident when I started my career, 15 years back to be exact, and when I did my engineering, and I thought, I should do something in life that's very essential. And I heard a story 13 years back. The story was of a pencil maker and a pencil. It was a simple story where the pencil maker, earlier pencils would not be either, they used to be crafted by hand. Pencil makers used to make pencils by hand. So the pencil maker was speaking to a pencil. Okay, so he spoke to the pencil, speaking to a pencil, and he said to the pencil, pencil, remember, if you want to make something in life, there are some things very important that you need to know. So he's speaking what qualities a pencil should have. So pencil is just a pencil, you just write with a pencil. But then he is telling the pencil of what qualities a pencil needs to have. So he tells a pencil that's very essential for you to be held in somebody's hand. Otherwise you will be of no use. Somebody has to hold you. That's very essential. That's number one. Number two, it's also essential for you to know that you are lucky that you can be rubbed off in case you make mistakes. Okay, so that's number two. Number three, what's essential or what you need to know is that what's inside you and not what outside. The lead, what is there inside the pencil is very important, not the wood that's outside. That's three. Number four, he said, whatever you do in life, keep a concept that in case you make a mark of whatever you do in life, that's very essential. We all as professionals, be IT professionals or be professionals in any field, what we need to understand is that we need to be that pencil. Okay. If we leave our egos behind, if we understand that, we have come here in this world, we have very limited time span in this world. We will not know when the time span will, and when that finishes, we cannot go back. So what's essential here is that if you live the life of a pencil, there is no stopping back. There is no stopping back of you achieving what you want to achieve in life. It's very essential that we live that life. We respect the pencil maker. We respect that we have to be held in somebody's hand to grow up in the initial years. And we keep our egos behind even when we have a professional, a career of 15 years and somebody else, a small child teaches us something good in life. We need to understand that he's our teacher and we are his student. That's make us big. Okay. Thank you so much. It's appreciating. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. I'm sure that your words are going to surely motivate our students and they are